Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my English learning channel. I'm Alina, and I'm here to, help you learn English step by step. So, where do we start? Well, let's begin with the most basic building block of English, a sentence. But do you know what actually makes a sentence complete? In this video, we'll learn about the elements of a sentence, the parts that come together to form a complete thought. For example, take this sentence. The cat sleeps. Here, a sentence has two main parts, the subject and the predicate. We'll break down both parts and understand them one by one. Alright, so let's get started. Let's start by understanding the subject. So, what is a subject? The subject is like the main character of a sentence. It's the one performing the action or simply who or what the sentence is about. So, how do we find the subject in a sentence? Well, a simple trick is to ask, who or what is doing this, after the verb. And the answer, is the subject. For example, she is reading a book. Here, the verb is reading. Who is reading?
She.
So, she is the subject of the sentence. Now, what is a predicate? The predicate usually starts with a verb and may include other parts after it. In simple words, the predicate tells us what the subject does. For example, the cat sleeps. Here, sleeps tells us what the cat is doing. But, a predicate can be more than just a verb. It can also include an object, what the action is done to. A complement gives more info about the subject. A modifier adds extra details. We'll break each of these down so you can understand how they make a sentence complete. So, what is an object? Well, the object is the one that receives the action of the verb. In other words, it tells us who or what is affected by the action. To find the object in a sentence, ask, what or whom after the verb. The answer is the object. For example, John reads a book. John reads what?
A book.
So, a book is the object of the sentence. Now, let's understand what a complement is. A complement is the part of a sentence that completes the meaning of the subject or object. Without it, the sentence can feel incomplete or unclear. For example, she is happy. Here, happy is the complement because it completes the meaning of the sentence. Now, let's talk about the final part, modifiers. Modifiers are words that give more details about another word in a sentence. They have two main types, adjectival modifiers and adverbial modifiers. Adjectival modifiers. These modify a noun or pronoun. Example, the blue car is mine. Here, blue modifies car. Adverbial modifiers. These modify a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Example, he runs quickly. Here, quickly modifies runs. So, basically, in simple words, a complete sentence consists of
Subject.
predicate, optional elements like object, complement, or modifiers. And that's it. In the next videos, I'll dive deeper into each part so you can, master them one by one. If you want more lessons like this, don't forget to subscribe to Pictosophy. Thank you for watching.